Let me tell you 6 silent mistakes that may be stopping you from getting customers. In this video, I will be telling you silent mistakes that might be stopping you from getting customers. You see, the reasons you are not getting customers is not the market. It's not even lack of strategies. The reason is you. And until you accept this, you will keep learning the hard way. If this is your first time coming across my video, this is Abdelbasit Abdelhamid, popularly known as Bastomy, a graphic designer who help businesses stand out visually so that they can sell more. Over the years, I've worked on designs that has turned passive viewers into paying customers. And today in this video, I will be breaking down for you 6 reasons why you are not getting customers, and more importantly, how you can fix them. Number 1 of the reasons you might not be getting customers is locking of your profile picture. Excuse me, why are you doing this? Why are you locking your profile picture? You drop a valuable comment on someone's post, people read it, they see intelligence in your words, and they decide to check your profile. Maybe they even want to follow you. Maybe they could even be your future buyers. And guess what? They were disappointed because of your profile picture that was locked. Why are you limiting yourself? Why are you chasing people away from you? If you are complaining of lack of customers, this might be the main reason. Number 2, ignoring opportunities in the comment section. There is a trend I've noticed nowadays among many content creators. They may post a picture now and caption it with, "Editors, please help me change the color of my shoe. Editors, please help me put a table of shawarma in front of me." And sometimes when I check the comment section of this kind of post, it so saddens that even people that actually have the skill will turn it into a joke. Let me tell you something. The creator that posted it might post it as a joke, but you that you have the skill, that you know how you can change a color of a shoe, you don't take it as a joke. Instead, you create your own version and drop it there. The comment section is very, very powerful. The comment section is a gathering, and in that gathering, you can secure a job, you can secure a client, you might secure an opportunity you never even imagined. So instead of you turning it into a joke, you create your own version and drop it there. Even if the creator of the post doesn't need your service, someone else that may be reading the comment might need it. So don't joke with the power of comment section. Don't joke with it. It's a powerful tool. Number 3, hiding behind poor branding. Your profile picture is blurry. Your bio says nothing about what you do. How do you now expect someone who doesn't know you personally to take you seriously? When people land on your profile, they make decisions in seconds. If your branding looks careless, they assume your work is careless too. Even if you are skilled, you are losing opportunities not because you are not good, but because you don't look ready. Number 4, consuming without creating. You scroll, absorbing other people's content every day. You clap, you laugh, you like, you save, but you never create. Tell me, how do you want people to know you exist if all you do is to consume? You admire others building authority, but you never put your own voice out there. You don't grow by being a silent observer every day. You don't grow by being a silent observer forever. You grow by showing up, by creating, by letting people know what you carry inside. Number 5, being scared of visibility. Some of you are hiding because of what people will say. You are scared someone will laugh at your English. You are scared someone will call what you do ugly. You are scared someone will question your knowledge. People will always talk. Even if you do nothing, they will still talk. So until you overcome that fear of visibility, the world will never know what you have to offer, and the customers you are looking for will remain out of reach. Number 6, waiting instead of acting. You are always waiting for the right time, waiting to be perfect, waiting to gather more knowledge, waiting to finish one more class. But opportunity don't wait though. The perfect time you are waiting for will never come. And the people you admire today didn't start because they were ready. They started, and that's how they became ready. Stop waiting, start acting now, and the customers you are looking for will remain out of reach. These 6 mistakes are simple, but they silently kill the chances of you getting customers. So if this video is helpful to you, drop a comment, share it with someone you know that needs it, and don't forget to subscribe, because I will be sharing more of these goodies of how you can attract customers and grow your business. Till when next we meet.